job, baby. Are they all going to go on that one branch? Yeah? Here. That one didn't have a very big string. Do you want this one? It has a bigger string. They're all going to go on the same branch. Okay, try it again.
It puts Scotch tape strips at your fingertips and frees up both hands. So wrapping can be kind of fun, especially when you know this is coming. Scotch pop-up tape. Happy wrapping.
Did you get it to stay? Yay! More. Okay, let's try one. Or did you finally get a picture of her face?